we are Group 2 and today we have something really exciting lined up for you.
In this vlog, we're going to the Suranadi Park. So grab your snacks, get comfy, and let's get started.
Okay, to arrive at the Suranadi Park, it will take time around 37 minutes. First of all, we start from the back gate of the University of Mataram. Here you just turn right and then just go straight. Just go straight, guys. And okay, say hi. This is the first intersection, and here you just turn left and go straight. Here too, just go straight. You just follow the street. Here, go straight again until you find another intersection. Here, just turn left.
You just go straight until you find Islamic Center and the first traffic light. After this, you go straight until you meet a petrol station and the second traffic light.
Hi.
Hi.
And go straight again until you find Transmart supermarket at the left and the last traffic light. From here, you just go straight until you find Narmada Market. Then you just turn left and keep going straight. Just going straight, guys, until you find SMA Negeri 1 Narmada. And after you find it, you just turn right. After you turn right, you just have to go straight until you meet Alfamart Mini Market. If you see the Alfamart, then just turn right and go straight again. Yep, go straight. And this is the Suranadi Nature Park. Yay!
Okay guys, we have arrived at our destination, Suranadi Nature Park.
You need to know, guys, that in Suranadi, there is not only a natural tourist park, but there are various other tours that can be enjoyed. So, keep following us.
Hello guys, this is one of the famous temples in Suranadi, namely the Dangkahyangan Jagat Suranadi Temple.
According to local stories, Suranadi Temple is related to the journey of Dang Hyang Dwi Jendra, also known as Padanda Sakti Wabu Rauh.
Long story short, Suranadi Temple is one of the temples that is very well known for its existence by Hindus in the Lombok area. This temple was created by a priest from East Java by the name of Dang Hyang Nyarata around 14th century.
Wow, so interesting story.
Look, there's a bazaar, guys. I think we should go there.
Coincidentally, on this day there was a kebaya clothes bazaar. Look here.
Okay guys, you don't need to worry if you are hungry here because there was so many street food.
The street foods like egg rolls, cilok, meatballs, and crabs. There are have good taste, so recommend it, guys. You must try it.
And the next place is Suranadi Restaurant and Swimming Pool Lombok. Let's go.
Before you come in, you must pay only 10,000 for one person.
The ticket is very affordable, guys, so you don't need to worry if you not bring much money here. Okay guys, after we pay for the ticket, we go inside and you can see around this. And we get the entrance ticket. This is, you can see it. You can see all around that there are many flowers, a fish pond, and an abandoned hotel. Okay guys, here you can find various ornamental fish in the fish pond. You can see.
And here, there is also an abandoned hotel that has been abandoned for a quite long time.
Well, this is the pool, guys. You can see that the water is very clear. This pool is different from other pools because the water from this pool directly spring water without this chlorine.
The water temperature is so cold. If you don't like cold water, you cannot swim here.
So guys, you don't need to worry if you bring your children here because there is a pool for children too.
Tumpah enak banget airnya, coy, coy. Ih, dingin betul. Johot nggak?
Woi! Woi! Basah!
Mermaid.
Look at
Dingin banget. Pengen nyemplung tumpah.
Okay guys, this is the bridge. Wow, look at this. Here there are children toys like seesaws and swings. So you adults can also play swings to get rid of fatigue during the trip. You can see the clear water flow. You can see that every water here is clear. So good.
There is also a musola here, so for those who are Muslim, you don't need to worry because you can pray there.
There is also a restaurant here. So if you are hungry after swimming, you can eat here and the fish is not too expensive.
Wow, you see guys, Rizky had to swim because he was so interested with the clear water.
Here, you can also enjoy views of the past and green rice field.
And finally, this is our last destination. We ate the bulayak satay and the taste is so good and a bit spicy. So don't forget to try it.
In Suranadi Nature Park, you can find many monkeys too because the forest is their habitat.
if you want to go there, you must pay. So guys, that's all our vlogs. Thank you so much for watching until the end.
If you are interested in natural tourism,
Don't forget to come here. Bye. Bye.